Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the ZZZ Window Manager session. Let us start. So the first thing that we have to do is to change the resolution. So there is an issue with this resolution in AntiX. Maybe it won't bother you if you are doing it on a bare metal, but in virtual machine, definitely all sessions of ZWM have got the issue. And this also, the second issue is of the compy. The compy is not properly placed. Okay. So in this ZZZ Joe's Window Manager session, everything is same as compared to the other two sessions of the JWM. Everything is same. Even you can see the layout and the application is also same number of applications, same layout of the application, order of applications is there. You got a app select, terminal, file manager, web browser, editor, personal. You got the personal menu, help, video. In applications, all same applications in the same order as in other window managers of AntiX, that is IWM and the Fluxbox. Here also everything is same. Only thing that is available is the ZZZ FM file search. So this is the file search. You can search for files across your system. You can also search in hidden for files in subfolders. So you can also do a case sensitive search. Then games also same, two games. Graphics same number of applications in same order. Same here in internet section. Multimedia section also same number of applications in same order. In Office you got LibreOffice Suite and the Q PDF Viewer. In preferences all the same applications in same order for this ZZZ-JWM session. In programming, 3 applications. In system everything is same, only the addition of ZZZ file manager is there. So we have seen the usage of this file manager in multiple videos earlier. Now let us check out the HTOP. So what is the resource usage? So here you can see number of tasks is less. I think 2 tasks less as compared to the other 2 JWM sessions we have covered before. And the load average is also less, just 0.16. You can see here max 0.16 is there, and CPU usage is 0. 258 MB of RAM is there. So this session, that is the ZZZ session, is around 10 MB more than the your ROX JWM session. Here you can see it is little heavier, just 10 MB heavier than the ROX JWM session. And now what we will do is we'll just open the task manager and we will just cross check the values. System readings 257 and 258, yes. And CPU usage is, as you know, it is 0, just 22 threads are running. So this is also very light desktop and you can install it on your older systems and get the maximum productivity out of the older systems. Don't throw them. It is not environmentally safe to throw electronics, because many of the electronic items like your laptop, desktop doesn't go for the recycling. It goes in the landfill and then it pollutes the environment. So such Linux distributions can be used to get more life out of your older systems, electronic systems. And here in the themes also, same themes that we saw in the earlier, that is the ROX JWM session, same themes are there, and these same themes are there in the standard JWM session also. Nothing you can say new is there, everything is same as in others, only the addition of the ZZZ applications, that is the ZZZ file search and the ZZZ file manager is there. Rest all things are same. And if you go and check the control center also, you can see everything is same, no change is there. Okay, and wallpapers also same wallpapers are there, nothing new is there. Let us apply this wallpaper. Okay, this looks very stunning. You can see, looks very stunning. So that's it for the ZZZ JWM session. We will stop the video here, and in the next video we will check out the final JWM session, that is the minimal JWM session. We have covered all JWM sessions, Fluxbox and the IceWM. So we are completing the AntiX video playlist here, and from the next video onwards we will start with a new Linux distribution. So see you then. Bye bye.